Alright, we are making a seafood noodle stir fry that looks like it came straight out of a restaurant, using instant noodle packets. Stay with me on this one. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add both packs of noodles and blanch for about 2 minutes, just until the strands are barely tender. You want them slightly undercooked because they'll finish in the wok. Drain the noodles, but stop right there. Save a cup of that noodle water before you pour it out. That starchy water is going to be your secret weapon. Take that reserved water and mix in all 4 seasoning packets. Stir until fully dissolved. That's your entire sauce, rich savoury, ready in 30 seconds. No extra seasoning needed. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or pan over medium heat. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, beat them lightly, then pour into the pan. Stir quickly. You want soft, just set scrambled eggs, not fully cooked through. The moment they're barely done, transfer them onto a plate and set aside. Add another tablespoon of oil to the same pan. Toss in the sliced onion and stir fry until soft and fragrant. Add the minced garlic and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds until golden. Now add the green and red bell pepper strips. Crank the heat to high and stir fry for just 30 to 40 seconds. You want them crisp and bright, not soft and mushy. Add the shrimp and squid. Stir fry on high heat until the shrimp turn pink and the squid curls up. That's your sign they're just cooked through. Don't overdo it or the seafood gets rubbery. Season with half a teaspoon of seafood seasoning and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Toss to coat evenly. Add the blanched noodles back into the pan, followed by the scrambled eggs. Pour all of that sauce over everything. Toss in the green onion. Now stir fry everything together for about 30 seconds. Keep it moving so every strand of noodle gets coated and glossy. The moment the sauce is absorbed, turn off the heat. Don't keep cooking or the noodles go soggy. The colour, the smell, the texture. Shrimp, squid, egg, crispy vegetables, glossy noodles. This is a full dinner party dish made with instant noodle packets. Nobody needs to know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel more than you know. And subscribe if you haven't already. I share new recipes and kitchen tips every single week. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy cooking.